It's the Jigglypuff King's 16th birthday today. And part 8 of my TCF Blooper series has reached 1,000 views. Yay! #20th Century Fox Bloopers 9. Alright, first take, and action.
Oh, wait a second. I bought this for a pound.
There's Shiny Saul. He's one of my subscribers, and he has a fork repellent because of what it says. But why does it say 20th Century Forks? And there are no searchlights or anything, just the text and a white background. Well, I just like it that way. Hee 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 hee. It's not 20th Century Forks, it's 20th Century Fox. Fine, I'll get it right next time. Second take, and action. Cut! Why does it say 100th Century Fox? Because I wanted to put 100th instead of 20th. Hee 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 ha ha ha. And why does the bottom say, make it stop? That's actually kind of funny. I don't know, I just put it there. Well, it's not 100th Century Fox, it's 20th Century Fox. Fine. Third take. And action. Cut! Why does it say Fox Star Productions? Because it's a cool logo. Ha 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 ha. It is pretty cool, but it's not Fox Star Productions. It's 20th Century Fox. Okay. Next take. Action. Cut! Why does it say Victor International Productions? Because I like that logo better. Hee 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 ha ha ha. It's not Victor International Productions. It's 20th Century Fox. Okay, fine. Next take. Action. Cut! Why is it Fox Interactive but in Roblox? Because I wanted to do this. Ha 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 ha. It's not Fox Interactive, it's 20th Century Fox, and it's not supposed to be in Roblox. Fine. Next take. Action. Cut, 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 cut. Why does it say 30th Century Fox Home Entertainment? And why does it have the normal fanfare, the Chipmunks fanfare, and the X-Men theme together? Because I just like those better. Ha ha ha. It's not 30th Century Fox Home Entertainment. It's 20th Century Fox. And it should only have the normal fanfare, okay? Okay, fine. Next take. action. Cut, cut, cut. Why does it say 20th Century Walt Disney Fox? And I get why it has the Walt Disney Pictures fanfare mixed with the 20th Century Fox fanfare. Well, I wanted to put Walt Disney on there. Ha 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 ha. It's not supposed to have Walt Disney. It's supposed to be 20th Century Fox. Okay. Next take. Action. Cut! Why does it say Fox Studios Australia? Because it's pretty cool. Ha 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 ha! It's not Fox Studios Australia. It's 20th Century Fox. Fine. Next take. Action. Cut, cut, cut. Why does it say 50th Century Bubbles? Because I wanted to replace the 2 with a 5 and replace Fox with Bubbles. Ha 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 ha. Ugh. It's not 50th Century Bubbles. It's 20th Century Fox. If you mess up 2 more times, you're fired. Okay. This is the second to last take. And action. Cut, cut, cut. Why does it say 20th Century Pixie Tracker? And why is it all green? Well, I wanted to do something cool like this. Ha 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 ha. Well, the fanfare sounds pretty cool, but it's not 20th Century Pixie Tracker. It's 20th Century Fox. If you mess up 1 more time, I will fire you. Okay, I'll get it right. Last take. And action. Perfect! Good job. You finally got the logo right. Yay! This has been part 9. I'm pretty sure I'll do a 10th part soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and I hope the Jigglypuff King has a good birthday.